The Deepwater Horizon disaster is the largest ecological and human health disaster we've had throughout the United States. When the oil leaked out after the rig sank, it formed a slick and it was moving towards the shoreline. To reduce how much of the oil made it to shore, BP adopted applying dispersants, which moved it from a slick into the entire water column. The health symptoms that are occurring right now and have occurred since right after the spill are severe headaches, nausea, respiratory problems, burning eyes, burning nose. People with asthma have asthma attacks and just upper respiratory impacts. On one day, there were 11 of the fishery workers that were out that had to be brought in and sent to the hospital. The majority of chemicals in the material safety data sheet that goes with the dispersant are proprietary. So they couldn't tell the medical staff, this is what I've been in contact with. And the supervisors couldn't tell the medical staff what they had come in contact with. The dispersant itself has toxicity, and it's been tested for toxicity in 2 species of marine organisms. It hasn't been tested for human impacts. We're looking at something that has impacted the majority of the Gulf of Mexico, and the people on shore, the fishing communities, are having to live and live and live with the resulting negative impacts. Subra Company. In 1981, I opened up Subra Company to provide technical assistance to communities, to work with them, educate and empower them, and enable them to make decisions for themselves about what direction their community needed to go. Tell Karen the location of that well so she can be sure that it gets entered in the survey. I help whatever community asks, so Black, white, Hispanic, Vietnamese. I can do things for these communities to help them understand what the scientific issues are, the technical issues, the human health impacts. And I think that is the greatest victory, is they've been able to verbalize to officials at the national level, the state level, and the local level about what the situation really is and what it is doing to them.